Hello, this is Marius Lanskoronskas and I'm really happy to have you on our Startup Academy course. This course is primarily targeted to young and future entrepreneurs who have brilliant business ideas but maybe have some gaps in skills of finance and management. So this course is going to cover all the landscape starting, running and even selling the business, covering all the topics from A to Z. So, looking to our contents, so our first topic will be how to define your product and adjust it to the needs of your clients. So, in this session, we are going to talk how to find a niche for your business, develop a product for that niche, identify and solve problems of your clients, avoid high operational costs for low-value features and just simply try to eliminate them, and build a minimum viable product that can be already presented in the market and can become a base for your business development. In the business modeling session, we will talk about the tools, how to select a right business strategy and how to develop a reliable business plan that would not be just a formal document for a bank or creditor, but could really become a very reliable milestone for running your business. Team building. In the team building session, we will talk about selecting a strategy for staff policy, how to choose a right management structure, how to keep your staff motivated, how to effectively assign goals and responsibilities for your employees. When you have a team, you have a business model, so the next step most probably will be going into the market with your product, and in the session selling your product, we will talk how to choose a right marketing strategy. We will cover the main marketing theories and models, and will provide tools that will help you to define what marketing strategy is the most appropriate to you. Of course, we will talk about aspects of sales psychology, whatever it could be, or sales online or direct selling. And finally, we will talk about some most popular online marketing strategies. When we have a product and we are selling it in the market, that means we are already getting some revenue streams. The next step we have to do is to monitor performance of our business. So in this session, we will define key performance indicators that create the highest value added for your company. We will look to the tools that help you to identify key performance indicators that you should not waste your energy, time and money just monitoring parameters of second importance and maybe losing some important information coming from key performance indicators. We will talk about data analysis models and techniques. Again, we will look to the main tools that enable you to analyze data effectively and make your conclusions from it. We will talk about data forecasting tools and techniques that will help you to make your forecasts, especially when we talk about short-term and mid-term forecasts, as much reliable as possible. And finally, we will touch the topic of scenario building and we'll look what parameters affect your final result and how we can run this scenario tool to define both the risks and also define potential expansion opportunities in your business. After that, we will talk about maybe some general strategies and models for company management. That means we will touch such really important and often quoted practices as lean approach, management by objective. We will talk about basic principles of project management and change management. These models and theories are really important, especially for startups. And finally, we'll talk about some aspects of management psychology. In the risk management session, we will talk about different types of risks and why these risks might occur. And also we'll observe some tools that help you to define and manage these risks and help you to choose an appropriate risk management model. And finally, when you have your product, when you have your market, when you have your audience, when you have some already feedbacks coming from your customers, maybe you will decide that for further expansion you will need to attract funding from seed capital, angel investors, or some other sources. And in this session we will observe all the main types of investors and we'll look what expectations they have for companies, so that you could define to what investors it is the most relevant to apply. Also, we will help you to calculate your business value, because most probably every investor will ask you, okay, if I invest now, what price for the stocks of your company I can get in the market after 1, 2, or 3 years, and you have to provide a number, and this is why you need to calculate your business value before going to the investors. And finally, we will help you to develop a short pitch for investors, and also we'll talk a little bit how to choose a right investor that not only you would meet expectations of the investor, but an investor should meet your expectations as well. So this is a short review of our 60-hour course. Of course, this 60-hour is just pre-recorded video materials, but most probably when you will do your homeworks, fill all the tables and templates provided in this course, most probably you will need a little bit more time. So this is going to be really intensive course, and I believe that this course will help you to better develop your business idea and of course to define a business model. So I'm looking forward to see you on our first chapter of this session. Thank you and see you soon.